Sales Estimator. This is also the free tool, guys. It's very easy and straightforward. You can check any product sales. For example, we just open this one. You can use it for different. For if you find a product BSR on the Amazon, you wanna check. Now I removed the BSR. Let me. No, it's here. Put it back. Like it
Hmm.
says 265 in baby category, 265. You can just come here, click the baby category, 265. I just put it, and it's gonna show you how it says, like when BSR. This is also for working for other product as well. So if you come to 265, I wanna come, where is 265? 265, you can, it's between 70 and not 65, like between 250 and 270. You can
Hmm.
see it's like 260. Estimated sales, daily unit sold is 504. Monthly unit sold is 15,000 units. You
Mm.
know, when BSR is going to close to one, it means you are selling more. And meanwhile, you can see here as well, we maybe don't need to look at this line graph. You can directly say
Hmm.
category, bestseller ranking, estimated daily units sold, monthly units sold. You can see from here. Or if you want to just get the sales of any ASIN, it's also very easy. Just grab ASIN, come here, just pay attention. You switch from BSR
Hmm.
to ASIN estimator. Just put the ASIN here and the sales estimate. And then you are gonna see not only this month, you can see the product history, like last month, previous. I think you can see last one year how the sales changed.
Hmm.
All of them you can see as a table,
Hmm.
and likewise you can see as line graph. For example, 2025, September 27, they sold 492 units, and at that time its BSR was 221. You can even see daily sales. Daily sales, how many units sold. It's very
Hmm.
important if you are checking something like seasonal product. It would help you too much to see one specific day, which
Hmm.
day, like 2025, November 24, how many units sold, and November 25, how many units sold, how was the sales, you
Hmm.
can see from here. And it's very helpful, too much helpful. You see, guys, here the average price was pretty stable. Then there is volatility up and down, up and down. I don't know what
Hmm.
happened.
Hmm.
Yeah. You can see the product price change, how BSR change, how
Hmm.
sales change,
Hmm.
and then everything you can use it. The best side is it's free. You can check out and you can see every single detail related to the product history, what happened, like the sales, BSR, price, etc., from here. Any addition here, Vova?
I think pretty straightforward, man. But they're nice that we can see it also on the daily basis. Like we can use the graph in the lower part to see how, for example, last Q4 went. Q4 is the last 3 months of the year. So we can see like did they have more sales in this category or in this for this product, I mean, and that can give us some indicators maybe of the seasonality of the product. We can see their price history. Maybe jumping prices can mean like what we've seen before. Maybe they were running some sorts of tests. Maybe they had some hijackers. Hijackers means someone coming into the listing and sometimes being another seller within the listing. I don't see it happening too much anymore. I think Amazon is helping us as sellers to avoid that. But usually on a listing on Amazon, a few sellers can sell it. But in private label products, we try to stay alone on our listing. Anyway, so the sales estimator can be good understanding for us if we, let's say, want to analyze a certain niche of products or a certain product. Of course, if we use the Chrome extension, like we've shown in the previous videos, again, link in the description to the playlist, we can see like more broader picture of the market, or if we use other tools of SellerSprite as well. But even on individual level, it's still good to see. Plus, it's a free tool, so like it's worth using it for market research to understand certain products within a certain niche. So yeah, man, again, that's what I can say. And of course, if our viewers have any more ideas, please drop comments on how to use sell estimators. Maybe you have something that you want to share. Always happy and providing safe space in the comments to share.
All
Yeah.
all right.
All right.
Thank you for addition. It's helpful when I talk. Maybe it's a little bit messy, but you always bring them together.
You do well, man. Thank you.